What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Victorian Vampire. This guy is really cool. He definitely reminds me of a Nosferatu. Looks basically just like it. And my dad loves this animatronic, like just from what he's seen online, so I had to pick it up. It's only 200 bucks. I believe it's a reskin or just maybe a shorter version of the Boogeyman from last year. So, because like the Boogeyman said 8 feet last year, this says 7. So I think it's a little shorter, but who knows? Maybe it'll be the same size. Coming out first thing is going to be the hip loop. Relatively simple size, what we're used to. Maybe a little bigger. Right here we have some leg foam. Right here we have the instructions. Probably won't be needing them today just because, I mean, it's not hard. It's literally just go up and then put the arms on, put the head on, you know, connect the wires. But yeah, here's the instructions. Right here we have some nice quality clothing. This, honestly, feels most similar to the 12-foot bone collector from Lowe's. Not obviously as much of it, but it's definitely very nice fabric. Yeah, this just feels really, really nice. Stuff like something you could wear, and yeah, it just feels really good, like it's gonna last. So these pants, they feel very nice. Definitely like a step up from the stuff we're used to from Frankenstein and the Pirate. I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest. Looks like some kind of like ruffle thing that you'd see on a clown, but I'm not really sure what it is. Right here we have both of the arms. No wires going down to them, just plain old arms. Right here we do have the head. It looks really, really nice. It is latex, so it probably will dry rot at some point. But the ears look very nice. I really like the eyes and the eyebrows. The mouth movement looked really good on the video, so I'm sure it will in real life. Just looks really nice. Right here we do have the 2 boots. Very nice quality on these. These are not gonna break when you step on them. They're not going anywhere. Right here we have the 2 hands, which are insanely detailed. These look so freaking good. These are like, wow. Their quality is about what you'd expect for blow molded hands, but these are like, wow. The way they painted this, these look almost professional. Right here we do have this back frame. That's about what I'd expect. And right here we have the module with the control box and the shoulder frame, all that. Let's make sure that volume is all the way up there and on center already. Yeah, looks really nice. Right here we have the waist turning mech. About what you'd expect, but it is very good quality. Does not look like it's gonna break, especially like when you put this thing out in the rain. It should be fine because it's got covers all on it and that amazing clothing quality. But yeah, you have the metal mechanism in there to make sure this thing is here for the long haul. The adapter is inside of this box. Right here we have all the leg poles. Pretty nice quality material, and we do have some supports right here so they won't snap. And finally, coming the last thing out of the box is the base, which is pretty big, and it has the support so it will not snap, hopefully. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right guys, I got them all set up and ready to go. Let's plug them in.
Doth not the very word conjure breath and moonlight? Nosferatu. Life shall fade to pallid shade as I sup upon your blood. most profound fears, preying upon the frail veil of humanity. In the shadows I dwell, forever bound by the thirst that courses through me. Your mortal existence is but a fleeting specter in the face of mine immortality. Hast thou heard the whispers in the night? They speak to your impending doom. With every drop of blood I consume, my power grows stronger, and thy resistance doth fade. Now embrace the darkness within thee, for it is the darkness that shall set you free.
Alright guys, so that was the Victorian vampire, aka Nosferatu, from Home Depot. This guy was really, really cool. He really is awesome. If you want to buy him, totally do it. It's totally worth the money. Only $200 for this guy. He's 7 feet tall. I'm 6'1", and this is how I'm at eye level right now with the camera. So definitely a good height. His face is very detailed, and especially these hands. I really can't get over them. These veins and just the sculpt of them looks absolutely amazing. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase him. I believe there's like about 20 left in stock right now. So definitely act quick. And I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.